Deciphering PayPal account ID retrieval time.
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be addressing an important query that many PayPal users have. That is, how long does it take for PayPal to find my account ID? We'll break down this process step by step to help you understand it better.
What is PayPal account ID?
Your PayPal account ID, also known as your merchant account ID, is a unique identifier for your PayPal account. This can be used instead of your email address when you're setting up payment buttons on your website, ensuring that your email is not visible to spammers.
How do I find my PayPal account ID?
To find your PayPal account ID, you must follow these steps. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. 2. Go to your profile settings. 3. Click on the My Selling Tools option. 4. Go to the PayPal button section and then the Update option next to it. 5. Here, under the Manage My Payment button section, you will find your merchant account ID. Remember, this ID is unique to your account, so never share it with others.
How long does the process take?
The time taken to find your PayPal account ID is largely dependent on the user. If you're familiar with the PayPal interface, you can find your account ID within a couple of minutes. However, if you're new to PayPal, it might take a bit longer as you navigate through the site, but it typically shouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. To sum it up, finding your PayPal account ID is a relatively quick process that should only take a few minutes at most. It's a simple process that can provide you with a secure method of receiving payments via PayPal. Thanks for watching, and remember, never share your PayPal account ID with anyone you don't trust. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, stay safe and happy transacting.